Hi Virgo, I'm Anisha. Today I'm recording at Pengongso Lake in the Ladakh region in far north of India. This is a 130 kilometer long saltwater lake at a 14,500 foot altitude. It's a beautiful land of mountains and lakes, and it's a home of numerous ancient Buddhist monasteries. It's quite a beautiful and an apt time to be recording this video, as we've just had the Jupiter transit move from Uranus sign dear Virgos to Libra for the next 12 months. And it is all about peace, it's about love, it's about cooperation, and it's also about justice. Virgos, it's quite a potent month for you. We are beginning the month with Mars and Pluto conjunct. And this is happening for you in a part of your chart that is all about love, it's about romance, it's about creativity, and it's about your children. And during this time, you're driven to express yourself. And Virgos, even though you're known to not sort of confront people, you're quite peace-loving, even though you tend to sort of get a bit detailed obsessed. This is a time where you're going to be feeling quite driven to say exactly what you're thinking. And try to sort of conserve your energy, Virgos, during this time. Try not to, as much as intensely some of you could be feeling, try and conserve your energy and try and sort of think through stuff at this time. Not the best of time to be sort of letting it all out. We have Mercury that is joining Jupiter and Sun, which is there in your house of earned income. And this is also a house of self-worth, Virgo. So it can be that you are sort of being pushed into making a decision which you're not too happy about. And it could also be that there's not enough information that you have, Virgo. So try and sort of accumulate as much as information as you can. Try and be more informed before you take this decision. And because this house is also about self-worth, try and not sort of equate yourself with the amount of money that you have in your bank, or feel little lesser of yourself and feel that, I'm not making that much of money, so maybe this is the way I need to get treated, or maybe this is the way, or this is what I deserve. So try and sort of separate or keep both the things separate as to how much is the money or the material wealth that you own, and what is it that your self-worth is. On the 16th, we have a full moon that is there in your house of joint finances, resources. It's also a house of sexuality, intimacy, but importantly, it's a house of transformation. And we also have the unpredictable, the wild boy of astrology, Uranus, that has been there for quite some time. And there's quite a good chance that there is something that needs to get transformed, Virgos, in your life at this point of time. Maybe it's the conditioning of how it is that you look at money, or what it is that you deserve. It may also have to do with some amount of power play. Maybe at work you're not really getting your due, but you feel, it's quite alright, and that is what everybody gets, or that is what you deserve. So try and sort of try and ask for what it is that is rightfully yours, and don't feel too guilty or feel too bad about it. The transformation can also have to do with something quite physical. It can be like renovating a part of your house. It can be about restoring something to its former glory. It can be something to do with intimacy and security. Things like that may just come to more of a focus right now. And issues related with other people's money may also come up. It can be that either there's a loan that has been bothering you, maybe some money that needs to get returned that you borrowed from a bank, or from a friend that gets asked during this time, and it could just sort of worry you a bit. But try and sort of evaluate things quite dispassionately, Virgos, and try and take a decision based on as much as information that you can gather. On the 19th, we have Venus that is moving into your house of home, and this is a house which brings about, with Venus over there, there's a sense of contentment that is there. A lot of you will feel quite happy being at home. Home is sort of like it's like a refuge for you, and you're going to be feeling quite happy, either doing it up, renovating, or just simply spending time. And because this is also a house of your mother, it can be that either there is something that's been bothering you about your mom, or you're being asked to sort of step in and help her take a decision which she's not been able to, but it does involve some amount of a positive decision making regarding a parent. On the 23rd, we have Sun that is there in your house. I have communication, siblings, and short distance travel. And Sun over here is followed by Mercury on the 25th, and by end of the month we have a new moon over here as well. So quite a busy time for this house, and you're going to be quite busy. I think a lot of conversations, a lot of conferences, a lot of negotiations, and it's quite a busy time, Virgos. You could feel quite exhausted mentally, as if there's just a lot of negotiating seems to be happening around you, and it can be that you could feel a tad tired concentrating, because you're just going to be feeling quite scattered at this point of time. So try and have a plan B or a plan C, because with your schedule being that packed, it can be that things can just go awry at the last minute. And gathering information during this time could be quite easy, because it can be that people from whom you're seeking this information could be quite happy to share that information for you. And also, I think try not to obsess about things about which you can't do much about, and just move on over there, Virgos. You've really done your bit, and I think it's really a time where you need to be putting those things to rest for good. It's been a pleasure speaking with you, Virgos, and it's been absolute gratitude to be able to share this beautiful lake in Ladakh with you. I'll be seeing you again soon, and thank you so much for watching.